Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Students have not joined in only. Only 4 students are here out of so many.
Ma'am, now there is 5 students.
1, 2, 3, 4 students, beta. I am the fifth one. I am the fifth one. Now see, they're coming. So all of you are ready with your copies, your SST notebooks. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we are going to do is we are going to write the heading. See, children, first of all, before we start any written work, I emphasize, I lay a lot of stress on the quality of your work, on the quality of the work children do. I like very nice, neat and clean, and very presentable work. For me, if your work is not presentable, you really lose out on your marks. Okay? So your work should be very presentable, very nicely done. Suppose you write the heading lesson 1, then you have to underline it. Okay? Then write the name of the chapter, then again you have to underline it. Your things should be written in proper order, proper sequence. Your headlines, your lines, your headings should be properly decorated and underlined. Decorated as in you don't have to make flowers and petals around them, but it should be nicely marked, either with some other color, or if you are writing with the same pen, then it should be same pencil. If you're writing it with, then you have to mark it with any colored pencil. In one chapter, you can use 2 to 3 colors, 4 to 5 colors as you want. Suppose we are writing down any answer in points. So all the points, when you mark those points as 1, 2, 3, 4, that 1, 2, 3, 4 should be properly highlighted. Okay, or it should be written in bold. Your work should be very nice and presentable. Okay. Last year also, I laid a lot of stress on this kind of a work and students really did it. I was so happy to see their social studies copies. So similarly, we are going to do it in the same way. Now write down today's date. Everybody write down today's date and write down lesson 1 or chapter 1. Always sit with a scale, sit with a ruler in my class. Is that fine? Always have 2 to 3 colors in your hand while you are attending my class, so that you can properly underline and highlight the topics. Rishabh, what is the name of the first chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the first chapter?
Ma'am, understanding history.
Okay, it is understanding history. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody write down the heading, children. Write down lesson 1 and understanding history. What is the date today? 3.4.21.
Yes, ma'am.
Written? All of you written? Arush Chaudhary, beta, you have written. Kartik Kumar, Shirsh and Yajat, open your cameras.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, we have to write the lesson when we have to decorate the lesson. Like we have to make border of
Yes,
understanding
you can
history.
underline it with any color pencil. You can do anything to highlight what you have written. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What is today's date? 3.4.21. Okay, write down today's date. Then what we are going to write? What are we going to write? We are going to write chapter 1. Okay? What is the name of the chapter? Understanding history. Understanding. What is the name of the first chapter, children?
Ma'am, understanding history.
Very good. Understanding history, like this. And then what will be the heading for today's work? Today's work would be difficult words. I have written everything in the chat box. See from there and copy it as it is in your copies.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have to use this color.
Yes, you can use any color, beta. Whatever is available with you, use that.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So let's begin with the first word. Shall I begin?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you can begin.
All of you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
The first word is ancestors. The first word is ancestors.
Okay, ma'am.
Ancestors.
Ma'am, you will also post on chat box.
Yes, I will post it.
Okay, ma'am.
Karthik, what is the spelling of ancestors? Beta, open your camera. Tell me, what is the spelling of ancestors? Okay, let me see who will tell the spelling. Let me see.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell. Hurry up.
Ma'am, the spelling of ancestor is ANCESTOR.
Very good. Now, Karthik, speak beta. Don't feel shy. Don't hesitate. Come on, you have to speak up. Unmute yourself. Karthik, unmute yourself.
A
Very good.
ma'am, A N S I T
No, no, no,
E
no,
R.
no, 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 no. Speak after me. A-N-C, A-N-C,
A N C
E-S,
E S
T-O-R-S.
P O R S.
Again, A-N-C,
A N C
E-S-T,
A E X T
O-R-S. Now write it down in your copy.
S. क्या स्पेलिंग बताओ जल्दी.
A-N-C-E-S. You can see in the chat box. You know how to open chat box, Karthik? See, I have written it there. A-N-C-E-S-T-O-R-S. Arush Chaudhary, what is the spelling of ancestors? Unmute, unmute, beta. Unmute yourself first. Karthik, beta, unmute to karo. Unmute yourself. Shirsh, are you going to tell us? Okay, Arush Chaudhary, hurry up and tell.
Ma'am, A N C E S T O R E.
T-O-R-S. Ancestors. There is no E. Okay. Shirsh, what is the spelling of ancestors, beta? Hurry up.
A N C E O R S.
Very good. A-N-C-E-S-T-O-R-S. Ancestors. Okay, the next word. Write down the next word. Historians. Historians. Rishabh, have you written the second word? Historians.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm writing. I write the first word.
Okay, Avni Verma. Avni Verma, open your camera. Avni. Beta, what is the spelling of historians? Tell me.
Ma'am, I will not in Bareilly, so I don't have books. I will return tomorrow, so can I only write words?
Yes, beta, you can write only difficult words on a piece of paper if you don't have your copies. But I'm just asking you the spelling of historians. Can you make the spelling of historian yourself?
No, ma'am.
Okay. His. What is the spelling of his?
Ma'am, H-I-S.
Very good. H-I-S. Histo. T-O. And then Rian. What is the spelling of Rian?
R-I-A-N-S.
Very good. Historians. The spelling of historians is in the chat box. See it from there and write.
Ma'am, I have right.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
written.
Ma'am,
What
I
will you
have
say?
written.
I have written.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very good, Arush. Very nice. Okay, now all of you bring your work in front of the camera. Let me see how beautifully you have written. All of you show it to me on your cameras. Bring your copies.
Ma'am, 1 minute I decorating my
No
body.
problem. Arush, show me your work, beta. Bring it in front of the camera.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Historian, Arush, the spelling is absolutely wrong. And where is the first word, ancestors? Where is the first word? Huh? You have not written anything. Chapter 1, understanding history, difficult words. Beta, how are you doing your work? Very good, Rishabh. Wonderful. Very nice, beta. See his work. Write down everything right now. Look into the chat box from the beginning till number 2. I have written all the things. You have to write them as it is. Arush, hurry up and do it. Hirsch, show me your work on the camera.
Ma'am, I just write till ancestors because I have joined late.
You have only written ancestors.
Yes, ma'am.
So after ancestors, write historians. Write down
Okay,
historians.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Karthik Kumar, beta, show me your work. Karthik and Yajat. Children, do you know that I'm your class teacher also, along with your history, sorry, your SST teacher. I'm your class teacher as well.
Yes, ma'am, I meet on your, ma'am, I meet school.
So I have to work on your overall personality, the way you work in the school, the way you work in every subject. Do you know that I have to work hard on everything, not only on just one subject? I will really not spare you if you don't do your work nicely, beta. Jajat, Karthik, show me your work. Devansh Verma, Avni Verma.
Please repeat the question.
Yes,
Please repeat the question.
beta, I am not speaking any question. I have just spoken 2 words. We are doing difficult words today and I have spoken 2 words. The first word was ancestors and the second word is historians. Show me, Karthik, what have you written? Yes, bring it closer to the camera. Very good. Bring it even more closer. Okay. Very nice. Very good, Karthik. But beta, very nice. Shirsh, very good. Now both of you take a color pencil in your hand. Do you have colors? Yajit, beta, the angle is not correct. The angle of your picture is not correct. Bring it closer to the camera.
Ma'am, I don't have colors.
No, beta, Yajat, it is again not coming. See, your work should be in front of the lens. Okay, lift it higher, lift it higher. And then move it towards your right hand side. Move the work towards your right hand side. I still can't, I can only see a blank page, the pink page, which has date, title written on it. Yes, now it is fine. Understanding. Now see, beta, the spelling of understanding, I think you have written wrong. Understanding history. Check the spelling of understanding, what you have written. And Karthik, is it March month going on? or it's April. Look at the date that you have written. 3/3/21. Huh? Is it 3/3/21 or 3/4/21?
Ma'am, 3/4/21.
Yes.
2021.
And also, Yajat, beta, you have not written the spelling of understanding correct. See, I think what I looked at a glance was SAN. You have eaten T in between. Understanding history.
Ma'am, my correct spelling is understanding history.
Understanding. Very good. Now, who has not shown me his work? Avni Verma and Devansh Verma. Have you shown me your work?
Ma'am, what is first word?
The first word is ancestors. Just see it in the chat box. Both the words are there. Ancestors.
There are no words.
There are no words? Okay. I'll retype everything. From the beginning, from the date, chapter 1, chapter name, everything I'm going to send again. Now see. Can you see? All of you can see this now? Good. Who has not shown me the work? Arush Chaudhary. Arush Chaudhary, open your camera and show me your work, beta.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes.
Please send the third word.
Devansh Verma is showing the work. Very good, Devansh. Beta, you have missed the chapter name. Write down what is the chapter name? It's Understanding History. Okay?
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Very good. Very nice.
Oh.
Children, this is how I want your work to be very nice and presentable. Everything should be properly mentioned. Which chapter number? Very good, Rishabh. Now Rishabh is just doing the drawing work. Huh? He's showing his art skills. Drawing and art skills. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now Rishabh, don't do anything. It's enough. Okay?
Thank you,
Fine?
ma'am.
Okay. Avni Verma has not shown me her work. And Devansh Verma. Who is Devansh Verma? Did Devansh show me his work? Devansh Verma, Avni Verma, and Arush.
Only 1 minute.
Okay. Arush Chaudhary. Arush Chaudhary. Have you shown me your work? Devansh Verma has shown his work. Very nice. Karthik Kumar, you have shown me your work?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, only Arush and Avni are left. Hurry up, then we'll come on to the third word. Okay, let's come on to the third word. The third word is battle. What is the third word? Battle. Children, what do you mean by battle? What is the meaning of battle? Anybody knows? What is the meaning of battle? No one knows? If you don't know, say no, ma'am. Okay? Don't feel shy. Yes. No. Nobody knows.
No, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, ladai.
Very nice. Battle means ladai. Battle means fight. A fight between two groups is called a battle.
Ma'am, I will write. See my word.
Very good. Very nice, Devansh Verma. Very good.
Thank
Work.
you.
Then the next word,
Third word.
third word is battle. Third word is battle. Then the next one is after battle, you have to write explore. The next word is explore.
Ma'am, see my word. Explore.
Explore. Very good. Very nice. Yajat, show me your work. Show me all the 4
Yes, ma'am.
words. Rishabh, show me all the 4 words.
Ma'am, I will explore this one.
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Arush Chaudhary has not shown me the work till now, and Avni Verma. Now I'm going to remove both of you from my class. If I see this kind of an attitude, I'm going to remove you from my class, children. Bring it closer, Avni. Bring it closer to the camera. Very nice. See, such beautiful handwriting you have, Avni. Why were you not showing me your work? Huh?
Ma'am, because I am doing my work.
So everybody is doing the work. When I'm asking you to show it, you have to show it to me, beta. I know
Okay,
everybody
ma'am.
is doing the work. Arush Chaudhary, show me your work. See, so beautiful, Arush. Your work is so beautiful. Huh? Why were you not showing?
No, ma'am.
You children have got such beautiful handwriting. Your work is so good and still you're not showing it to me. Very good, Rishabh Kumar. Wonderful work. Yajat, take your copy towards your right hand side. I can't see the work. I can't see the work. Take it towards your right hand side, beta. हाँ और ऊपर करो थोड़ा ऊपर करो कॉपी और राइट हैंड साइड पे लेके जाओ पहले कॉपी थोड़ी नीचे करो bring it down बस okay pause keep it here only very nice wonderful Yajat your handwriting is also very good so I see all the students in this class have got beautiful handwriting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fourth word, Arush Chaudhary, it is explore. Explore. See in the chat box, I have already written it there. Then, ready for the fifth word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the fifth word is photograph. Photograph.
Ma'am, photograph. Yeah, ma'am, photographs.
You can write any beta. Photograph. I'm speaking photograph. Sometimes see in dictation, students fail to understand whether the teacher is saying it in plural form or in the singular form. But your spellings should be correct. If you add S in the end, it doesn't matter. A teacher will never make it wrong. Okay?
Ma'am, please see my word.
Show me beta. Photograph. Very good. Very nice. But Devansh, tell me one thing. When all the words you have written with, you have started with capital letter, why of photograph you have written small p? Make it capital P. Photograph. Ready for the next word? All of you? Arush Chaudhary written. Arush Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Written beta.
Ma'am, what?
Written all these 5 words.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next word is custom. The next word is custom. Or make it customs. Customs. Customs.
Right.
Very good. Write it. Customs. Written Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, beta. Wonderful. Shesh, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Show it to me, beta. Bring your work in front of the camera. Very good. Take it higher. Custom photograph. Let me check the spelling of photograph. Why do I see it's wrong? Bring it closer. Take it higher, a little higher, and on your C. Have you written PHOTO? Is there an O after T? Just check and tell. फोटो में T के बाद O लिखा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I couldn't see that O. Written? All of you written these 6 words?
Yes, ma'am.
Arush, have you written these 6 words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next word is habits. The next word is habits. Habit. What is the next word? Habit.
Ma'am, I will written.
Very nice, Devansh. Wonderful. You have written TES in the end? TES?
Yes.
No, beta. It is TS. There is no E in the end. Okay, make the correction. Avni, show me your work, beta. Bring it closer to the camera. Take it a little higher. Take it a little higher. और अपनी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड करो, थोड़ी सी कॉपी को अपना लेफ्ट हैंड साइड करो. वेरी नाइस, वंडरफुल. थोड़ी सी और ऊपर करो बेटा. कस्टम्स के बाद नहीं दिख रहा. आई कांट सी हैबिट्स. वेरी नाइस, very beautiful handwriting Avni has got. Bring it down. Then the next word. Very good, Risha. Wonderful, beta. Very good. The next word is ancient. Ancient. Then just check
Asian spelling.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
ANCIENT. Everybody check you have written correct spellings. I have written in the chat box. Ancient.
Yes.
Very good. Then after ancient, you have to write medieval. 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 How do you learn the spelling of medieval? We learn it by saying medi, MEDI, medieval, EVAL. Beta, it is in the chat box, medieval. Okay, learn it like that. What is the spelling of medi? All of us know, right? MEDI is medi. Then aval, EVAL, medieval. Then the last word for today is modern. 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 Done? All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Now today,
Yes, ma'am.
who will post the work in the class? Tell me. Who want to post the work? Who wants to post the work in the class group?
Am I?
Ma'am, I.
All of you want to post? So let me do
Yes, ma'am.
let me do Inky Pinky Ponky. Then I will tell. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Each day I will give one student the chance to post the work. Okay? All of you
Excuse me,
will
ma'am.
get your chance one by one. Yes, beta. Yajat.
Ma'am, I don't have phone. I am attending class by laptop.
Okay, then I will not ask you to do it.